hive is only successful if many, many bees are working, but only the female bees are hard at work. A hive can have 25,000 to 100,000 bees depending on the time of year. A few hundred of them are male bees called drones. They are dependent on females and their only job is to sire their offspring. All the rest are females, known as worker bees. They must work with little or no direction.